Hi, I'm Cole Nussbaumer Knaflic. My journey as an author began with my book, Storytelling with Data, which was born out of a passion for helping people communicate more effectively with numbers. I've always been drawn to acting like a translator, helping people understand complexity and how it can be simplified to guide decisions. It was at Google that I first started teaching workshops on data visualization. It began as a small side project in 2010, but the interest was so immense that we eventually rolled it out company-wide. I got to travel the world, teaching others how to communicate with data. When interest spread beyond Google, I left to start my company, Storytelling with Data. It began with a blog and workshops. After teaching hundreds of sessions, I decided to write a book to share my ideas with more people. I've loved writing since I was little, so this was a natural next step. I approached writing the book chapter by chapter, section by section, almost like a series of short-form blog posts. And this became very useful because I had a baby in the middle of writing it, so it allowed me to make progress in 20 to 30-minute time windows. I couldn't imagine writing more, but now, 10 years later, I've written 5 books. Through my writing, I hope to help people become more effective communicators. I truly believe that anyone can improve their skills in this area. And there's no such thing as an expert. My goal is to democratize data, to make it less scary and more of a tool for better conversations and smarter decisions. My everyday life is deeply reflected in my writing. I write conversationally in the same way that I teach. I like to think of myself as a friendly guide. A lot of inspiration comes from my kids and the world around me. Seeing their curiosity and creativity is one of the things that led to my children's book. Outside of writing, I'm the CEO of Storytelling with Data, where my team and I help people and organizations tell compelling, action-inspiring stories. I also love to cook, travel, and spend time with my family. My kids inspire me constantly, and I love showing them that they can be whatever they want to be in life, including an author.